Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny, and we are talking St. Patrick's Day.
Go broth.
There you go.
We showed you corned beef and cabbage. We showed you a Reuben.
Yep.
Now we're gonna show you shepherd's pie.
Bring it on.
Extra virgin olive oil in the pan. We're gonna take our ground beef. We're gonna throw it in. Now we're gonna add some finely diced onions to the party. We're gonna take some carrots. Would not be shepherd's pie without peas.
You have to have peas.
With a little butter. We're gonna take some flour now, okay? This is what's gonna thicken this up when we get like our gravy here. A lot of pepper in here. Now we're gonna add some beef bone broth to it. Everybody's got this in their kitchen cabinet. This is a little bit of gravy master. This is just gonna give us that rich, dark color that we're looking for in a shepherd's pie. All right, so we got a pre-cooked pie shell here. Now we're gonna take our beautiful shepherd's pie mix. Look at this. All right, Lily, and now we're just gonna pipe some mashed potatoes right on the top. Look at this. What? All right, so this is gonna be 10 minutes in the oven.
Oh.
Here it is, Lily.
Wow.
Shepherd's pie in all its glory, right?
All right, if you'd like to try this for this St. Patrick's Day, head to our website, newshelf.com. You'll find it there. Good one.
Go broth.
There you go.